Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to filter out dealers on Facebook Marketplace. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the Marketplace icon at the bottom. Once the listing loads, look at the top right and tap Filters. Here the most important step, scroll until you see seller type. Tap that and choose individual sellers. This removes most card details right away. Next, go to the filters, turn off anything that says dealership or shop. If you see conditions, select use only. Now tap apply. You will already notice few dealers listing, but here's how to stop the rest. Tap on the listing, scroll down and look at the seller profile. If you have multiple cars listed, a business logo, a name like auto sales, or they are financially available, that's a dealer. Just keep it. Real seller usually have one or two items for sale. Use personal photos and respond like a normal people. Dealer will avoid the question, real seller will answer directly, and that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.